This little video is about creating projects and project groups. Projects are like virtual bins of your files you added to them. You can create as much projects as you like by simply clicking here, the single plus icon, here in the sidebar. You just give a name and your project is already created. Now you can add files from the cloud drive or local files. You can also create project groups containing different kinds of projects. You can add project to a project group by right-clicking the project. Here I show you. Here you will find some other functions too, like rename, delete, share. I will speak about this in another tutorial video. Move. This is what we need. If you click on a move, you can select the destination project group here. And here in the bottom, in the project settings, you can choose your favorite color to your project. And finally, by a single click, you can open more projects next to each other if you want. ASTODI, be organized, be efficient.